Hello students. So in this video, we will see few MCQs to find null point in an electric field. Null point in an electric field. So null point means it is a point where resultant intensity, resultant electric field is zero. Resultant electric field is zero. So here we have two cases. So if I take case 1. So two positive charges are there separated by a certain distance. So two positive charges are there. So I will take plus Q1 and plus Q2 separated by a distance R, you may say. So in between these two, you will have one point P where resultant electric field will be zero, and that point we call it as a null point. Null point. You will be asked to find its distance from a charge. So I will take distance from Q1 as x, then this distance from Q2 will be R minus x. From Q2 will be R minus x. So shortcut formula for finding the x will be, so shortcut formula to find x will be Q1 by Q2 is equal to x square divided by R minus x bracket square. Q1 by Q2 is equal to x square by R minus x bracket square. So in numerator, x is the distance from Q1. So Q1 is in numerator, x should be in numerator. So Q1 the distance ಏನದ P ದಿಂದ ಅವೆರಡು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ದಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು. Q2 ದಿಂದ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ R minus x, Q2 ಮತ್ತು R minus x denominator. Even you can take reciprocal. This is one case. Second case if I take case 2. Here you are having one charge as positive and another charge as negative. So one will be positive, another one will be negative. So I will take this as plus Q1, this as minus Q2. When one is positive and another one is negative, you will have a null point outside the line joining two charges. You will have outside. So from Q1, this distance I will take it as x, and distance between two charges is R. Distance between two charges is R. So if a point is outside, so shortcut formula to find x will be Q1 by Q2 is equal to x square divided by, very good, R plus x bracket square. R plus x bracket square. So one care you take while substituting Q1 and Q2, don't take negative sign. Don't take negative sign. After considering it all, we get this shortcut formula. So after considering the negative sign only, we will be getting. So first, if both charge are positive, so we will have Q1 by Q2 is equal to x square by R minus x bracket square. If one is positive and another one is negative, so Q1 by Q2 will be equal to x square by R plus x whole square. So use this shortcut formula. In 2 steps, you will be having the answer. Within 2 steps, you will have the answer. So in second case, you take care that if Q2 is a negative, don't take its negative sign. Second, x is distance from Q1. So if Q1 is in numerator, x should be in numerator. If you take distance x from which charge, that charge and that distance should be proportional. You keep it in mind. So first MCQ if we see. So 2 point charges, 9 coulomb and 4 coulomb are placed 10 meters apart. So this is R he has given R. The point P from 9 coulomb charge where the resultant electric field is 0. From 9 coulomb he has asked. So 9 you take it as Q1, 4 you take it as Q2. You are required to find X. So both are positive. So shortcut formula will be Q1 by Q2 is equal to X square by R minus X bracket square. Now substitute. 9 by 4 is equal to X square by 10 minus X bracket square. So here most of students will square this bracket 10 minus X and simplify. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗಿದ್ದು 10 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಂತಿ. So if you observe all the four terms, they are perfect square. So take square root on both sides. Take square root on both sides. So you'll have 3 by 2 is equal to x by 10 minus x. Now cross multiply, next step you have the answer. So if I cross multiply, 30 minus 3x is equal to 2x. So 30 is equal to 5x. If you divide by 5, you will get x is equal to 6 meters. So option B is our answer. Option B is our answer. Clear students? Just in 2 steps you will be having the answer. Similarly, second one if we take, second MCQ if we take, point charges plus 4 and minus 1 are placed. So here if you observe, one is positive, another one is negative. A and B in air at 1 meter apart. The distance of point on the line joining the charges from B, he says. So from B you are required to find. So B charge you take it as Q1, another charge as Q2, and the distance is R. So you are required to find where the electric field is 0, means again you are required to find value of X. So one is positive and another one is negative. So our formula will be Q1 by Q2 is equal to X square by R plus X whole square. Now substitute Q1 by Q2. So 1 by 4. Before I told that don't take negative. While deriving this formula we have considered it. So just put the values. Micro gets cancelled, so I have taken 1 by 4. X square by R is 1. 1 plus X bracket square. Now again if you observe all are perfect square. So take square root on both sides. Therefore you will have 1 by 2 is equal to x by 1 plus x. Cross multiply. So 1 plus x is equal to 2x. If I take x to the RHS, I will have 1 is equal to x, or you can say x is equal to 1 meter. So option B is our answer. Option B is our answer. Clear students? Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please share with your friends and ask to subscribe.